I'm John Coyle. Welcome to AutoNation Drive's head-to-head feature. This week is a bit of a family feud, as we're comparing the Silverado LT Double Cab with the Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Think of it kind of like Christmas dinner, but with cars. So if you're trying to decide just how much truck you need, stay tuned as we compare the engines, cabins, infotainment, and price. First, let's look at the powertrains. The Silverado 1500 has 4 engine choices: a 4.6-liter V8 good for 285 horsepower, a turbocharged 4-cylinder packing 310 horsepower, and a pair of V8s. A properly equipped Silverado can tow over 12,000 pounds and haul up to 2,250 pounds. In comparison, the Silverado 2500 HD has just 2 engine options. Base models get a 6.6-liter gas engine, which is good for 401 horsepower. But buyers can upgrade to a 6.6-liter diesel engine that produces 445 horsepower and a whopping 910 pound-feet of torque. The gas engine features a 6-speed automatic, while the diesel gets a 10-speed unit from heavy equipment manufacturer Allison. When properly equipped, the Silverado HD can tow up to 35,500 pounds. Now, let's look inside the cabins. The center stack of the Silverado looks great. The infotainment screen is framed by angular accents, and the prominent vents make it look utilitarian and refined at the same time. The front seats are also exceptionally roomy. Since it can be optioned to feel like everything from a job site to a boardroom, it's important to note that the bones are great here. Infotainment tech is becoming a larger and larger factor in new vehicle purchases, so it's an important element to get right. The Silverado comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity. The available advanced trailering system uses the rear view camera to aid in lining up the hitch and can even monitor the tire pressure on the trailer. It's a great bit of tech. Safety is one area where trucks have improved dramatically in the past few years. One notable feature of the Silverado is the standard teen driver system, which allows owners to set limits for speed and radio volume. There's also plenty of available safety tech, including lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and front pedestrian braking. Both the 1500 and 2500 versions of the Silverado earned 4 out of 5 stars in testing by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Now, it's time to talk price. The 2019 Silverado 1500 starts at $28,300, and the Silverado HD starts at $36,500. Of course, you shouldn't buy a truck without a thorough test drive. So if you're deciding between the Silverado 1500 and 2500, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below, and also be sure to subscribe as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle, thanks for watching.